To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Indian Sport Chief, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface, allow it to cool completely, and ensure the power switch is off. Next, clean the area around the spark plug boots with a clean, dry cloth. Then pull upward on the spark plug boots to remove from the plugs. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinders. Next, carefully loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended plugs. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the spark plug boots and ensure they are fully seated. Before continuing, verify that the connections are properly secured. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.